Oh, he just came right next to the boat. Oh boy, we're gonna get pulled into this cove here unless he swims us away. On today's Fish Jails adventure down here in Southwest Florida, I'm gonna take my son and we're gonna go down a boardwalk for about a half mile and get a kayak in the water and explore a hidden lake. We wanted to do this for quite some time, so we're gonna see what's in that hidden lake. We heard there's lots of fish, so we're gonna be throwing lots of lures. You can see we have DOA shrimp, swim bait, got a little paddle tail, and we have a top water. We might even throw some more than what you see on the rods already. So stay tuned. I think it'll be a fun one. Well, we made it and Carter's ready to get out fishing, so we're not gonna waste any time, and we're headed right that way to a supposed hidden lake with some fish of many types and species and colors and sizes. Let's see what we can catch.
Stretch there I've caught some.
Awesome.
And like DOA shrimp and things like that.
Cool. Well, we'll see what they're biting for us. Can you push away from it? There you go. That's it. Whoa! You got one on?
Yeah. Oh, it came off. That was a little Jack Crevalle.
First cast from the Tiki Hut fisherman. Had a little Jack Crevalle. There's our opening. Hopefully we make it through. It's not too big. To the hidden lake. Can we catch a fish right by it? Let's try 2 more casts. Here we go. There's a good cast. Let's see what that can bring you.
I saw splash in there.
Really?
Yes.
Huh.
Another.
Splashes?
Yes.
In the hidden lake?
A lot.
Huh. Okay. Bring it in and we'll go in. We got ourselves a low tide here heading into the secret lake, so I'm gonna have to carry Carter and then come back and carry the kayak through. So here we go. Let me know if you see an alligator or a crocodile or a hippo.
They're not in this part, Dada.
Oh, okay.
They're farther down.
Okay, good. Oh, there's some little fish right there. See those?
What are those?
Little snappers, maybe? We did it. We made it through. I think the kayak will be a little heavier to carry through than you. Look at that. Nice little drop off right there. And here's the hidden lake. This is it. All right, I'm gonna put you down and just park it here. I like the wind coming through here. There's got to be some big ones just sitting in here. How deep is it here? Let's see. Huh. Not very deep. Oh, you hooked yourself again, lure? How about hook one of these fish they keep hitting?
I hooked myself too.
Something's got to be in here. Oh, okay, good job. Oh, there we go. Fish. What do we have? Not a huge one at all. But oh, a barracuda. Look at that. A little barracuda. Look at his teeth. This is where you need, I'll show you. You don't want to mess with him. So you grab one of these guys right here.
Barracuda.
Yes. I think that's what I was having hits on before. They can usually snap you off pretty easily. Here, Carter, why don't you just hold this and open the bail? Couldn't do it without you. Now, his mouth is so small, I might not be able to even do it. But generally, you'll grip him in the mouth like this. He's so small, I don't think it's gonna matter. Let's unhook this guy. And this hook. And then unhook me. There he is, and there's his teeth. Little barracuda, bye-bye. All right, we're changing Carter's lure from the shrimp to a little spoon with a little teaser on the back here, and that can be good for redfish or anything wanting to eat a minnow. So there it is. Trim that tag end off, and Carter's good to go. Carter was ducked in the front there, avoiding some sharp branches, and guess what? You're free.
Oh, better.
Oh, big snook just came up. Here, let's back up real quiet. He came up and just missed. Here we go. Oh. Oh, I think he's a snook. But the third time I cast it there too. I don't know. There we go. There we go. Still haven't seen him, but I think it's a big snook. Oh yeah. Look at that snook. Let's tighten the drag a little bit now. Oh yes, got some good shoulders on him. There he is. Let's get a good grip on him here. And that's what we came here for, Carter. All right.
Look at that giant black line.
Yeah, that's that lateral line that they can actually feel the bait swimming through the water through that. So it's kind of, they can they can sense anything swimming near them. Well, this nice snook came out this reflective Yozuri. This thing just really flashes in the sun, and water's kind of dingy and a little cloudy today. All right, that was an easy unhook. He wasn't gonna stay on much longer. That was cool. There we go. Oh no, I'll get it. Welcome to mangrove fishing. Okay, let's go fish. Oh my, look at that bird's nest. It's, oh, you got a fish. Carter, you were dragged on. We're getting the bird's nest out here, and you got a fish on your spoon. We're gonna crash into shore. You got a fish on right now.
What? I caught a fish?
Look at this thing. What? Oh, okay, watch out. We're gonna hit that. Oh, he's okay.
We caught.
Yeah. Okay, watch out. Okay, now watch your face. Okay, just hold the stick, the branch. Oh. Okay. Oh. I set the hook with my hand here, and I'm pulling it in with my hand. Oh wow. All right, just push away the branch. You got it. Oh, what do we have here? Black drum. Push away. You got it. Now just push away. You got it. Okay. Here we go. Oh.
What did I catch?
I think this is a black drum. Next time you get to a branch, let's hold it. Look at that. He took it just right off the bottom. Yeah, that is a black drum, folks. A black drum. We got a barracuda, a snook, and a black drum while we were getting out of backlash. Look at that. Woo!
Oh.
Carter, nice job.
I didn't even do anything.
Now we got line everywhere. This treble hook, boy, you really hooked him well. I guess I might have with my hand. There he is, with the fins and everything.
Yeah?
Just unhooked each other's lines and cleaned up the mess from that hand-lined black drum, and we're gonna cast a little bit here for a few minutes before we move on. Oh! He just came right next to the boat. Oh boy, we're gonna get pulled into this cove here unless he swims us away. We'll get ready to duck, Carter. Oh, I think it's a jack.
It's a jack?
Yeah. Oh, he just came out of nowhere and crushed it. All right, watch your eyes here. Oh, I think so, but boy. Okay, now, if he could swim us away from here, that'd be great. Look at that. Okay.
That's a jack. That's definitely a jack.
Oh, yes.
That's a jack.
Ooh! Did he hit that thing fast out of nowhere? Okay. Got him.
Got it.
Okay, look at that guy. Yeah. Woohoo! So what do we got? Snook. Name the next one.
What's the name?
Barracuda. Next one. Black
cat.
Drum.
Black drum.
And this one?
Jack
Crevalle.
Sharp.
They got some sharpness on their tails. You want to have gloves if you're dealing with them, but they got some. There he is.
He's a really good grunter.
Well, how are you doing? How are you doing? You want to go back? Yes? Okay. That's a yes. Yes. He wants to go back. All right. And a 1.
Don't eat the lure
And a 2. No, but he was fast. And 3. Well, I'm going to need to get out here and carry Carter and then the boat. Heading out of the secret lake. One last look. See you later.